Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial on Pass the Book, a PowerPoint resource from Tutor to You. Now this is a really simple concept. Pass the Book is basically a random way of selecting a student. Okay, before we start you're going to need two things. First of all, really importantly, you're going to need a set of questions, however many you want about whatever topic that you want. So you're just using this resource as a way of randomly selecting the student to answer those questions. The second thing you're going to need is something we'll call the book, the thing that gets passed between one student and another so that when the music stops, a student is selected. Now that book can be anything that you want it to be. It can be a soft toy, it could be a ball, it could be a textbook, whatever it is that you think can be safely passed from one student to the next. Okay, and then the last thing in terms of preparation is how you arrange your students. Now they're going to be passing the book from one to the other, so you need to arrange them in a circular shape, whether that's inside a set of tables, the outside of a set of tables. Again, thinking about safety of course, but whatever way enables students to pass the book to one another safely and quickly. So once you've got all those things set up, you're ready to use the resource. Okay, we've got all those three things arranged. Let's just show the students a little bit of an introduction to what's going to happen. They're going to pass the book around. Clockwise, anti-clockwise, doesn't really matter. When the music stops, the screen will tell the student who's holding the book who to pass it on to next. And whoever has the book at the end of all of that will be the person who's answering the question. So let's start the music and show you by way of example. Here we go. Okay, so they're passing the book around from one to the other, the music stops, and then on the screen it says pass the book one person to the right. So whoever has the book at that point passes it to the person to the right, literally in this case right next to them, and then that's the person selected to answer the first question. Once the question's been asked and answered and any discussion that's required after that has been carried out, we move on to the next question. Press play again. Okay, and it stopped again, and this time it's suggesting 2 to the left. And just keep pressing the play button as long as you want to until you've asked all of the questions that you have. Enjoy Pass the Book.